Good morning, I'm John Milikowski, founder of Milikowski Tax Law. Today, we're going to be talking about some updates with the IRS in their collection efforts and audits. As you know, the IRS has been basically shut down during the last 3 months. There's been a moratorium on any new audits, as well as all the collection efforts. So for delinquent taxpayers, and we're primarily focused on business taxpayers with high balances, IRS is currently not collecting. Now, obviously, if there's any criminal action and there's an attempt to shift around money, the moratorium doesn't apply to those type of cases, especially the high income earner non-filers. So there's people who earn a lot of money who are not filing, are not part of the moratorium. This is just the average business who's struggling currently due to the closure of the economy. The IRS has agreed not to do any collection or any type of enforcement action. So what's going to happen after July 15th when this moratorium expires? That's a great question that we've kind of explored, and we've been listening to a couple different conferences IRS has been a part of in different panels. And right now they basically are not committing to any action other than the moratorium will end on July 15th, and they're discussing what will happen after that. But I'd be hard-pressed to find IRS immediately on July 16th conducting levies and liens on businesses. Obviously, a lot of companies are not doing too well. Business has been down, and they're struggling. Obviously, PPP money is starting to run out. So our best guess and basically assumption is that IRS will be sending collection notices out and making attempts to collect, especially from the companies that have high balances. Now, what happens if you have PPP money left over and it's sitting in your bank account and you're severely delinquent? So you have maybe taxes that are owed for 3 or 4 years going back, and especially payroll taxes where the company has withheld those taxes from the paycheck of its employees and not turned it over to the government. The IRS, views that as basically a criminal conduct, right? Because you're taking government money. So I would suspect that anyone who has a payroll tax balance definitely contact a tax attorney, try to resolve that balance, maybe communicate with the IRS. Their offices are beginning to reopen. As of June 1st, they've indicated that people are going back to work into the federal buildings. ACS, Automated Collection Services, where IRS does all the phone calls in and out for collections where you can call in and set up a payment plan. That should be starting to reopen right now. So take some action. Plan ahead of time. Don't wait till July 16th and until wondering whether the IRS is going to levy. Try to take some action ahead of time. But if you have PPP money left over and you have it in your bank account, in a business bank account, and the business owes taxes, and the IRS does levy those funds, you're going to have a little bit of a difficult time asking for forgiveness because those funds are going to be used to pay federal payroll taxes, which your PPP loan funds cannot be used for. They can only be used for gross wages and for state payroll taxes, but not for federal payroll taxes or any other type of federal taxes. So make sure that again, plan ahead and protect your company and secure those PPP funds. I'm John Milikowski. This is Tax Talk, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.